First half, that the attitude, behavior was unacceptable. That and maybe I take part of it. I think that maybe we have to plan better the week after the big effort that we did in Rijeka. Maybe we have to plan better to arrive on Friday. Just 4 days for some players is a lot. Maybe we have to do better things as a staff to make the players recover better, because wasn't good the efforts, the attitude, and the second half was much different. I think that we press higher. The boys deserve what they did. They come back. The feeling was much different. At the end, as I always said, we can go wherever they want with this attitude, with this feeling, with this type of feeling that can give you a lot of things if you the correct things, something that we work. But yes, so it was 2 halves.
Okay, thank you, coach. Može sada pitanja za trenera.
We were talking, it's good that you still have your voice because we could hear you up there. What were you saying?
At the end, in the first half, I was trying to give energy, to try to make them press a little bit higher. The feeling was that they wanted, but they couldn't go. That was my feeling. We have some players that still yesterday they said that they were a little bit tired. I know that in Rijeka we did a lot of efforts. I know it's not easy. It's not easy what we did there, and maybe the first half. So I take part of it. Maybe we didn't prepare the week in the best way. Maybe not. So we'll analyze the things. But at the end, I'm happy what they did in the second half. The feeling was much different. We pressed higher. Tactically we were much better. We changed a little bit formation with more diamond. Then when they passed to back 5, when they changed the formation really, then give us much more power. I think that we couldn't change. We wanted to change, but when they changed back 5, we said no. We have to maintain this structure because it will give us something. And with 2 strikers, I think that that we have much more power to arrive, more players on the box. And yes, I think that we have to improve a lot of things, and we do a lot of things, but all is about here in the head. All is about in the head, because at the end they are very good players. It's not easy after 1-0 down at home do the things that they do. But yeah, that has to be in the best attitude, the best mood. At home is what we need. Is what we need, because at the end. Today, even they score, and the feeling and the pressure for the fans was much better. Was there, and this gives us a lot of things, a lot of power. This team just needs 5 minutes to come back and to try to change the game. And with this power, with this everyone helping, is the 12 men, and this has to we have to maintain, and also us as a players we have to maintain this spirit. So I'm very happy for that, very happy for that. And then yeah, in the halftime we wanted to change something. As I said in the changing room after the game, the players that came in give what the game demands in every moment. I'm very happy for players that weren't in the lineup in the last games, and today come back and make a good performance. The feeling changed, the environment changed, the sensations about being higher, about be aggressive in the final third. Change a lot, and I'm happy for them. I'm happy for them because at the end everyone is a human. Everyone needs a little bit to calm down and think about what I'm doing good, what I'm doing wrong, what I can improve, and they improve every day. I see them every day training, so I'm happy for them. And from this, as I said to all of them, from this minimum, from this we have to grow.